Welcome to the Crochet channel, the best place in the universe to learn crochet online. It's great you're here today because it's always a lovely day to crochet. If you like crochet or kittens, or you just want to help me out, click like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on your crochet channel videos. Yay! In this video, I will show you how to crochet this flower keychain. The materials that I use is 4-ply milk cotton yarn and 2.5 millimeters crochet hook. And the inside is polyester. So this is the big yarn size and this one the small yarn size. Before you begin, create a magic circle. I will make it twice so it looks more secure. Yarn over, pull through. Chain 1. This one I will crochet 5 single crochets. Insert, grab the yarn, pull through. 1 single crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I will need to check, pull this, and then let's see which one is moving. So this one is moving, so I will grab the one that moves. And pull all through. This is the first round and I need to join 5th, 4th, 3rd, 2nd, and the first one. This. A slip stitch. This created the first round and the round 2. Chain 1 and then crochet 2 single crochets in one stitch. We call single crochet increase. 1, 2, 2 single crochet increase, and the next one also 2 single crochets increase. 1 and 2. We will do this all the way around until the end for 5 times total. Now I have 5 times total, and then I will join to the first single crochet, a slip stitch. This created the round 2 and then the round 3, chain 1. The round 3 we will increase 1 single crochet, and the next one 2 single crochets increase. So I call this one set. I need to repeat this set for 5 times total. This one the first time. The second time will be 1 single crochet and 2 single crochet increase. There you go. Keep repeating until the end. Now I have finished, and then join the first single crochet. There you go, a slip stitch. I will attach 2 pink yarn. For the example, I used blue yarn. This one I will not cut it off. Insert into the first one. And I will attach to the blue yarn. and then pull through. This one I will crochet chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then I will insert at the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. And then insert to the first single crochet. Yarn over, pull it through the first 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Then next row we will increase, chain 1, and then insert to the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one we should have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, because we increase. And then insert into the same stitch. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Next one we don't need to increase. Insert at the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then insert into the next stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Next row, also repeat from this process. Insert at the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then insert into the same stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Next one, also the same. Insert at the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next, we need to join to this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the next row we will decrease. So insert into the second one, skip, and crochet in this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Join to this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we will crochet a slip stitch. So this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then we will join to the next one instead. 7. So this one, row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5, row 6. And the last one, row 7, to crochet a slip stitch. So the next petal, we need to do 5 petals. Also repeat from this process. So to repeat, we will start with this. Can you remember how many chain? Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. This is the foundation chain to start the row 1. So we insert at the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then insert to this. Yarn over, pull it through the first 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then can you, this is the row 1. And the row 2 we increase, right? So we yarn over, chain 1. And then insert at the back. 1, 2, 3. Don't remember, you need to count the first one too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So this one I have 8 because I increase 1. So this one 7 and this one should be 8. Insert to the same stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So this one also the same process as this. You can forward and look back. And then I will tell you how to assemble when you have 2 flowers already. So this one is the one that we need to insert the needle inside. So this one should be together, right? This is the pair. So we insert in 2 of this and 2 of this together. Then we have 2 flowers. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So keep repeating this process all the way around and then you will have 5 petals. And I will show you how to assemble again in the next step. Now I have finished with the flower. It's super cute and you ready to hang it on your bag. Thank you for watching and be sure to check out the Crochet channel for lots of exciting, easy and best of all free crochet tutorial patterns which you can use to create your own crochet pieces. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please thumbs up, share and subscribe. Be kind to someone today and keep smiling until the next video.